Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So let's start with the front right wheel. Looks incredible. Zero curb rash. Looks amazing. You got the Netto NT555 G2s, 245 4517 date code 2025, pretty much brand new. The depth on the paint is absolutely gorgeous. Clarity looks incredible. Very minimal orange peel. I need to see the lights when you move down. See, they're not wavy. I think those are vinyl graphics. Man, that's kind of tough. I almost think those are painted over. I don't want to mess with that, but I'll find out on that. You do have a little flaw right there. Fit and finish in here looks incredible. The edge is very clean. Body lines look good, bodywork looks incredible. No chips here. There is a little dimple there, if you can see that. It's very subtle. We have a little one there. But with that color, I don't think the camera is going to be able to pick it up. All molded. Looking for any cracks. You can see the bodywork looks incredible. I don't see any cracks. Yeah, that looks perfect. .315s out back. 555 G2s, date code 2025. Once again, looking at that wheel, she looks incredible. Looking in here, running my finger through that, it is butter smooth. That is really nice. Painted black stripes, so those, I don't feel a single bump. These I do. I feel like that ridge, I feel like those are vinyl, but I'll find out. Painted on the hood as well. So far, I do not see a rock chip. I mean, look at the reflection in that black. That is insane. You can read everything. They did a killer job on this paint. Probably one of the best I've seen in a very long time. Tiniest bit of imperfections right here. I wouldn't even say rash, but tiny little chip there or something. Looks like it has an undercoating, so maybe it had a little rash, but man, you gotta be way under here to see that, to be honest. Looks perfect, man. A little bit of rash on the underside. But what you can see here, just walking around, I don't see anything. And honestly, I'm looking for rock chips. I'm not gonna say there's not a single one, but nothing's really standing out to me. I mean, look how clear all of this is. There's no texture or anything. Perfect. Looking at the belt line molding, All of that looks good. Once again, painted here. Just all of the detail work looks amazing. There's something here, but I don't feel anything. I don't know if it's a little stain, something kind of dropped on there. Not sure about that. It's not a chip though, because it's butter smooth. Once again, the edge is perfect. Looking around the keyhole there, that looks good. All of that looks perfect. I don't see any signs of cracking or flaws there. If you look close here, you're going to see a couple dimples right there in the paint. Very subtle. Probably not going to see that in any other lighting but this. We're in about $30,000 worth of lighting. It is bright in here, and it's going to show every flaw. You do have one run of clear right there. It looks incredible, nice and clean. Looking at all the body work in here. Looks good. Once again, I'm going to zoom in on that light. Look at the reflection. I can only get it to focus, but that is insane. Looks incredible. This is definitely museum quality right here. Okay, we're gonna check out this interior. She looks incredible, smells amazing. Fit and finish is top tier. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Now let's check out the edge here. Looks like you got a little rip right there. Feel free to pause that at any time. Jam looks good. Upper section looks amazing. That's on there nice and secure. A couple little flaws right there. The rest of that panel though looks awesome. All of this looks really good. Love the coating here, nice and clean. Unique performance. Logo looks good. Got it on the seat belts, got it on the steering wheel. Overall, that looks awesome. Now this piece needs to be kind of tucked back in there. But other than that, looks good. Checking out that steering wheel, looks beautiful. Nice and clean. A couple little marks right there. The rest of that looks nice. Looks good. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Looks good. Visors look nice. Headliner looks perfect. Nice and clean. Here on this door panel, tiny little flaw there. The rest of that looks good. Handles on there nice and secure. If you had to pick it apart, you do have a couple wrinkles in that area, but for the most part looks good. Got something on there. The rest of that looks incredible. Looking at that jam, I love the texture here. It looks incredible, nice and clean. Unique performance out of Texas. Looks good. Carpets look awesome. Floor mat looks amazing. I love the seats. That looks good. Bolster, all of that nice and clean. Looks incredible back here. Got the signed dash. Looks like it's done in Sharpie. Looks incredible in here. Nice and clean. Got the cover off here so you can see the battery. That tank looks good. Smells good in here. Looks awesome. Alright, we're going to scan through the engine bay here. Of course, on the website, lots of photos. There's your plaque. Nice and clean. Really not much to pick apart in here. She looks amazing. Looks like that ripped on the back side, so it needs a new seal around it, but that's the only one. And if I had to pick apart anything else, it would be right here. The liner kind of peeled. From what I can tell, the rest of that looks incredible.